Alright YouTube, you might be asking yourself, why am I standing next to a fire truck? Well, there's good reason. This is an exciting day. I just got this thing legal and on the road, and I am officially taking my first drive down the road in the largest vehicle I have ever driven in my life. And here it is. That's right. That is a 40-foot Van Hool. I'm going to be turning this into a tour bus for our band. Alright, so I'm sitting behind the wheel here. I have started this and played around with it a little bit in the parking lot. So, here we go. Whoop, gonna need to give it a little bit more gas. Rough diesel. Ah, yes. Oh, yes.
My best of luck to you.
Oh, man.
Be careful with the brakes.
Yes, indeed. I figured them out a little bit here in the parking lot. I think they're alright.
When you get going fast, it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
And just letting you know.
Okay.
But I'm sure you already knew that.
No, this is new information, so.
Don't hold the brakes either.
Okay.
Like if you're trying to slow down from like 40 miles an hour down to a stop at a stoplight, don't just go like this and hold it. 'Cause you'll heat those brakes up so fucking hot,
okay.
And you'll start to smell it. It'll smell really bad.
Okay.
And then you'll lose your brakes. You won't have brakes at all.
You're right. Yeah, I'm familiar with that idea.
Yeah. So what I do, I don't know what everyone else does, but I pump them. So hold them for like 3 seconds, like medium pressure.
Yeah.
Let off. Then hold them again. You know what I mean? And then.
Yeah, you just gotta give yourself more time. And
once you get below like 20 miles an hour, yeah, fuck it then, just hold them down.
Right. But favor the Jake brake whenever I can.
Yes.
Okay.
You'll get used to it.
I can't wait.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh man, I'm gonna be like grandma.
You'll get good at it.
Well, you know, I have driven big stuff, and I appreciate your
anytime.
Your advice.
Well, just be careful, sir. Have fun.
Thanks. Oh yeah. This is out of control right now. Like, in any other state, I mean, I don't know what it's like in your state, but here in Maine, there's this law that allows you to drive any vehicle, any big vehicle like this, register it as a motorhome, and drive it on a car license with no training whatsoever. And here we go. It is absolutely terrifying to be traveling this speed of 35 miles an hour. I got a big cloud of blue smoke behind me because I'm traveling pretty fast, so I'm going to slow down. "45 sounds fine." 40 now. Decided to take up the middle part of the road rather than the right-hand side of the road. It is going good. Got the wipers working. I kind of know what I'm doing. A little bit. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, first healthy corner with the Motorhome plate on this ginormous motherfucking bus. Okay, we're going to use a little more Jake now. And let's go full Jake. And now we got to slow down more. Okay. Jake works great. At least I think. Brakes are fucking weird, man. I'm about to go into my very first rotary of this buscapade here. Jesus. Tough shit. Oh, that was fun. Okay. We don't need to travel fast. We just need to travel without having a panic attack. Sorry, this is my first time. Have no fear. I got plenty of experience as a musician to bring myself to this day. Be ready for this moment. Jesus Christ. You gotta use more of the steering wheel than you're accustomed to using. It's not a small correction. A little case of understeer. Still awfully smoky. Maybe she burned out. I hope not. You can afford an engine rebuild right now, I'll tell you that. This is pretty awesome.